What's up guys, Super Geek here. If you upgraded your laptop to Windows 11, then there's one thing that you really want to try right after updating it is running Android apps on it. Yes, Microsoft has released the Windows subsystem for Android feature for everyone. Before it was the beta thing, but now everyone can use it. But there are still some roadblocks that will keep you from installing Android apps on your laptop. One of the biggest one is that this feature is region locked. This feature is only available in the US region, so you may not be able to find the Amazon App Store on your Windows Store. And even if you change your laptop location to US and install the Amazon App Store from Windows Store, you still won't be able to sign in because you got to have a US based Amazon account to sign in and install Android apps from Amazon App Store. So today I'm going to tell you a workaround to install Android apps on your Windows laptop without even signing in to the Amazon App Store. So first thing what you have to do is, of course, set up your Windows subsystem for Android on your laptop. For that, what you have to do is go to settings first, change the region, go to time and language, go to language and region, then change the country and region from here. Once you do that, you have to go to the Windows Store and search for Amazon. You will see the Amazon App Store app here and you can install it on your laptop without any problem. Once you install that, you will be able to launch it, but you won't be able to sign into it if you don't have a US based Amazon account. So what you're gonna do now? So once you install the Amazon App Store, just close that. There's no need to sign into that, because now I'm going to tell you how you can sideload APK files on your Windows without signing in to the Amazon App Store. So once you install that Amazon App Store, all you have to do is go to Start menu, All Apps, scroll to the very bottom, open Windows Subsystem for Android settings. Once you're here, enable the developer mode from here, and that's it. Once you do that, just close the settings, go to Windows Store again and download WSA Tools. And this is the app that you have to install on your laptop. So once you install that, just open it. So once you open this app, it will ask you to install the ADB bridge on your laptop. It's really easy, just click on install. It will ask you for a location, just select location and it will install itself. Once you do that, you will reach this page right here. Just click on install an APK. Select any of the APK that you have on your laptop. Click on install and it will install your app. You can launch it from here or you can launch it from the start menu. So as you can see, we have the Advanced Manager right here. Once you open that, this is the Android app that you have on your Windows machine, working perfectly fine. Now I'm going to tell you how you can download APK files on your Windows to install it. So open any browser, go to APK Pure website, search for any app that you want. I'm gonna go with Telegram. Download the APK file. So once you download the file, all you have to do is just double click the file and it will start the installation automatically. As you can see, the file icon has been changed. Just click on that. It will open the WSA Tools. Just click on install and it will install the app. Click on open and there you go. Instagram app running perfectly fine. See, everything is working just fine. So there you go guys, now you can install Android APK files right into your Windows 11 laptop without even signing into the Amazon App Store. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.